Hey everybody, I'm Susan, and today I'm going to be opening a Needoh. Got some weight to it, actually. I don't know how much it costs. I don't know how much it costs because I got it at a claw machine. So let's get this open. Okay. Oh my God, this feels weird. All right. Okay, I got it open. Oh, oh, this feels weird. And then look at that. Rising back to a cube. That's so cool. It's a little weird. It feels like Jello, except thick. Can you stretch it a little bit? Let's go like that. And it's rising. Oh, that's cool. Feels kind of funky though. Feels like a thick gum, like thick Jello. Hmm. Doing a little review on this. This is actually pretty cool. I just don't know the price. I know those dumplings are around $20. They're probably around the same because they're popular. But I hope you like the little unboxing and me playing with the squish toy. But I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Bye.